Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to restore deleted apps on iPhone or iPad in iOS 17. Removing apps to save space on an iPhone or iPad is common, but what if you need the app back and don't recall its name? Or what if you deleted an app accidentally and need to restore it? Don't worry, regardless of the cost, restoring deleted apps on iPhone or iPad is quite easy. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on apps. Here is the list of all apps currently or previously installed. Tap on Note this iPhone and select the blue cloud icon to reinstall it. While most of the native apps to appear in my app list, you may need to manually search the App Store for a few native apps like Mail or Journal app, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to find hidden deleted apps on iPhone or iPad. We all have secrets, whether in real life or in terms of the apps we have on our iPhones. And to help you with that, Apple allows you to hide the apps purchases you once made on your iPhone. Now, if you have deleted an app that has hidden in the purchase history, you may not able to find in my app list on the App Store. So to restore such as, you have to head to the Apple settings. For this, go to settings and then tap on Apple ID at the top. Next, select Media and Purchases and then tap on View Account on your iPhone. Here, scroll down and then tap on Hidden Purchases. If you purchase any app, it will show here. Then tap the Unhide button next to the desired app. On the App Store page that appears, tap the iCloud button to reinstall the app and you are done. And the next step is how to restore deleted apps using iCloud backup on your iPhone or iPad. Another way to retrieve deleted apps with all the associated data and settings is to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup. While you are restoring your iCloud backup to get your previous data back, understand that this process will replace all your current data with the data from the iCloud backup. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And then tap on Continue. Next, tap on Erase iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will be helpful to you to restore deleted apps on iPhone or iPad in iOS 17, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.